Hey, this is Roger. I'm on location at Walnut Creek, and I can't believe how cool this coastal is showing. You know what's interesting, when you use YouTube to attract clients, I've got a client with me right now from New York. Man, look at that double door. And I'm out showing houses this beautiful, sunny November Saturday morning. And I said, do you mind if I shoot a video? Because I feel a video coming on. And as she pointed out, hey, I often say, if there's light at the back, that's what I like. You know, this is the coastal plan from DR Horton, and this particular house is available right now. Can't believe it's still on the market. It's priced beautifully under $350. I recognize this plan because they were building it up with the vineyards when I first saw it. I mean, look at the way the light's just kind of flooding in. And then this kitchen, I call it kind of a control panel where you can vibe to the great room, the fireplace, and then there's dining space over there. But yet, this has a wooded lot. So how do you do that for under $350? Wooded lot, there's got to be a lot premium on that. I would just encourage you to give me a call at 704-345-3400 and ask about Walnut Creek and DR Horton's coastal plan. I mean, look at that. It's got a covered patio. Man, I would enjoy that. You want to screen it? I'm sure that's doable. But just look how big these windows are and how the light is just flooding in to this house, this room. It's got tray, it's got crown, and these double doors, it just makes it feel elegant, guys. Really nice looking granite, good sized closet, and there's a tub shower combo, and that little band of accent, that's called a listello. It's pretty classy. Man, there's so much light flooding. This is a beautiful day to be in the Carolinas, guys. So if you're in the market and you're considering relocating, and by the way, she mentioned today, my client she's watching me do this video. She said, yeah, I'd love to watch you. So she mentioned, again, her feedback was, how much space is there? Good use of space under the stairway, which makes sense. And we are going to go upstairs. It's a story and a half. In fact, with her today, and this is often the way it works out, is that the first day I'm with you, I'll get a really good feel about what you like and don't like and what your tolerances are. And then the second day, we're going to nail it down. So we're looking at 1.5 story homes exclusively today. And, you know, Walnut Creek is a really good place to purchase a home, in my opinion. And that's because there's some great values here from DR Horton and Eastwood Homes and MI. But look at this room. My, HC. This is a my bonus room. Let's see, we got a closet. So this is technically a bedroom. It's got a closet. I think you would probably use it for a media room, maybe a workout room, because this is just kind of a bedroom-sized bedroom. So give me a call at 704-345-3400. I'd love to be your buyer's agent if you're relocating to the greater Charlotte area, and we will come down to Walnut Creek. I can't wait to talk to you soon.